In here you'll see a part of Magdalena's exhibition. Another part is held in Naskov Dvorec, where the majority of events and festival office is also set there. Also evening events, concerts and parties are held there. At the same time you'll see the Art Directors Club exhibition that we are really happy that Mr. Edward Chekhovin donated to the festival. And it's set up on this level. All above floors are Magdalena's exhibition and downstairs is Art Directors Club. We have info books, or we call them holy books now, and holy entry books. They're set up, I think, somewhere around the gallery, or you'll find them in Naskov Dvorec. It's really nice to see some old faces and new faces again. Old faces again and new faces for the first time. I'm really happy that we have, I need to announce this, that we have newcomers to the festival, people from Grafische from Vienna and I think also Verbe Academy. There are students from Cerkveni Art Academy that joined us this year. So without any further talks, I would just like to invite you to come inside, see the exhibition. At 9:30 we move to Razstavni Salon Rotož, and at 10 o'clock or maybe 10:15 the first open air concert will start. And it starts in Naskov Dvorec. All information that you might need, you can turn to me.